Anything you want to say in particular to James?
I love you, honey. I can't wait to see you, and I hope you're over your hangover by the time I do.
How are you feeling?
Dehydrated. And hungover.
Anything special you want to say to Lacey?
Remind me of somebody.
No, I'll tell you when I see you.
Whoop whoop. Is it wedding time?
Wedding time! Let's get this started!
Lacey, these vows of devotion are spoken today with the knowledge that our union is a blessing and not to be taken for granted. Also, I'm a man, so my days are off. I wrote in that letter 5 years, we've been together 6 years. So I vow to be honest with my actions and my words, and will also be straightforward and tell you when I am in need of your presence, your love, and your support. It might take me a few hours to find the words, but I will be open with you. I vow time with you, as this is likely the most precious gift I can offer.
James, I still remember the look in your eyes the night we met, and the feeling I had then that I had found someone truly special. I promise to love you every day, through the good and the bad, through sickness and health, no matter where life takes us for the rest of your life.
May your love grow for one another, and you may seal this ceremony.
The bride of the groom. What would you like to say to them?
To the two of them. Oh my gosh. I think they know exactly what to do. Trust themselves, trust their love, know it's hard work, but always love each other.